Some years ago, we looked at a new IoT technology in 5G called RedCap. Since then, much has changed. RedCap has matured and a new technology called eRedCap has also been introduced. Let us have a quick discussion about them. There are several IoT technologies defined in LTE or 4G. The most popular are LTE-M and NB-IoT. While both will continue to be part of 5G, there are a couple of new IoT technologies, namely RedCap and eRedCap, which are designed specifically for 5G. RedCap stands for Reduced Capability. So you can think of RedCap device as a 5G device with limited capability. The E in eRedCap stands for Enhanced. We will compare the two shortly. As you can see here, both technologies are designed for different use cases and will coexist. Let us look at why RedCap was needed in the first place. The well-known 5G triangle defines three types of capabilities and devices. In reality, we still mostly have eMBB devices, which are our smartphones. RedCap was introduced to fill the gap in the middle, where full eMBB power is not required, but features like low power consumption typically associated with IoT are still desirable. This GSMA white paper linked in the description maps the capabilities of RedCap and eRedCap within the 5G triangle. A quick comparison shows that RedCap offers reasonable data rates for a variety of use cases, while eRedCap supports a peak data rate of around 10 Mbps, which helps keep power consumption low. Similarly, the transmit and receive chain is typically one transmit and one receive, which helps reduce both power consumption and device cost. It is worth noting that eRedCap currently does not support voice, which could be relevant for use cases such as wearables. We will explore this in more detail in an upcoming tutorial. You can see here that while NB-IoT and LTE-M work in both 4G and 5G networks, it is expected that RedCap and eRedCap will eventually replace other LTE-based IoT technologies such as Cat1 and Cat1 bis in 5G. A quick comparison between today's popular IoT technologies LTE-M and NB-IoT and the upcoming 5G IoT technologies show that while RedCap and eRedCap can support many new scenarios, LTE-M and NB-IoT are specifically optimized for deep coverage and extremely low power use, which RedCap and eRedCap may not fully match in certain situations. This image shows how RedCap and eRedCap target different use cases. RedCap can support eRedCap scenarios if higher power use is acceptable, but the reverse is generally not possible as eRedCap is designed for much lower data throughput. That is all we wanted to cover in this short video. As mentioned, we will create a detailed tutorial in future. Thanks for watching and goodbye.